let's do the styles now. I'm going to do this internally just for now. Later on I will make some CSS files, but for now, since this is still very little code, I'm just going to do it right here. So I want to go to Google Fonts and get this Google font, this one, and go to Customize and get 300, 400, 6, and 7. And put it right here in the head. And this as well. And put it there on the body. Okay, so now let's do some more things on this body. Margin 0. Let's close it and reopen it. Now it should autocomplete for me. It wasn't doing that. So FEF DFD, and display is flex, and align items to stretch. Okay, so the font updated, but the button didn't. So for that, I'm gonna make a new class called font, and it will just also have this font. And I will put that class on the button. Okay, so that looks better. Okay, I'm gonna do a couple more classes here. One called default cursor, and this is going to put the cursor be default. So if you look here, when you hover over this text, the cursor changes. I don't like that. So you could use this class to make it so when you hover over an item or an element, it will use the default cursor. And another class called center, text align center, and another class called button. This will create some default styles you want to apply to buttons. So I want to give a border radius of 500 pixels. That's just to get this pill type button. Oh, I didn't apply it. Right, so you come here to button and just say button. It'll be shaped like that. Also, the outline should be none, and margin is 0 auto, and the background color should be transparent. Okay, like that. The rest of the styles I'm going to style specifically for that button. Okay, so let's go add these classes here. So it should be center and default cursor. Okay, let's see that. Okay, that's pretty cool. This div here should have no class. And I also want to create some color classes. So color, I want to have another class called border color. These are going to be used for the theme later on. So for color, you want to set color to FEF DFD, and the background color to 1B19CD, and the border to border color, same color as right here, and the off color, just set the color to 7C7EFB. Okay, now this div right here should have a class of color, and this my calendar should have a class of off color. Let's see this. Okay, so pretty cool. I think that's going to be it for this video. We've done a lot of styles. In the next video, I'm going to do a lot more styles that are more individual to these styles that we made in this video are sort of general styles that I'm going to use over the entire course. In the next video, I'm going to create all these specific styles related to everything inside the ID of current date info.